Hello friends, I have this e-commerce store that is using WooCommerce that we created in the earlier video using the BE WordPress theme, BE theme we can say. So it is a wonderful e-commerce store, and here I want to integrate Instagram hashtag post with this WooCommerce store. I mean, simply if a customer is posting a post on their Instagram account, how I can show the photos or post directly on this WooCommerce product listing page. So what can be the solution? It seems a bit difficult, but it is going to be super easy with a plugin that you can directly have at woocommerce.com. So this is a core plugin. It means it works directly with WooCommerce, and the plugin name is Instagram Sync for WooCommerce. And yes, you can simply follow the link to get this plugin. And what you can do exactly with this plugin, so you can show the Instagram hashtag feeds on your WooCommerce store. You can link post to your products. You can update your link in bio from WooCommerce site. So there are many options that you can use, and you can see the pricing as well on the page. So turn customer post into your based product photos. So customer reviews are always important when we are making an e-commerce store, or we are running an e-commerce store, because those pictures and feedbacks are actually brings more conversion by other customers. So this is very important when you can integrate the Instagram post directly to the product reviews and product pages. It will be very helpful for new customers to get an idea about the product experience, how others are using the product, what they are saying about the particular product, and also. So Instagram Sync is a very good option, since Instagram has many options that can promote your product indirectly or directly even. So you can simply pull the Instagram post into WooCommerce by hashtag. So define the hashtag that matters: your store, your brand tag, a campaign tag, a product line tag. Instagram Syncs builds an automatic Instagram feed for matching public posts. So this is going to be pretty simple when you are going to integrate with this, and you can even approve or disapprove the post that is coming to directly to your WooCommerce store. So here are some details that you can directly check through the link that has been given in the video description. And connecting this is pretty simple, and you can simply follow the link. I'll show you the backend in fact. So I have already installed the plugin. You just need to log in with your Facebook account, but there are certain steps that you need to follow, and I'll show you the certain steps. I'm not going to link any Facebook or Instagram account exactly in this video, because this can be a matter of privacy. But yes, you can do it simply, and I don't have actually any test account at Facebook or Instagram, so this is the being reason. But yes, I can definitely help you. If you need any support, you can simply write in the comment or directly join a mentor here at I Create program on the live chat. So it is free, and you can simply onboard on the program without any conditions. So I believe you know about this program. So this is an interactive program, WordPress hub for WordPress websites, WooCommerce websites and all. Okay, great. So now what you need to follow, what are the steps that you can use for connecting or add Instagram account. So how do I add an Instagram account to my business portfolio in Meta Business Suite? So you can find the link here directly here. So you need to follow some instructions as per Facebook or Instagram policies. So create a business portfolio in Meta Business Suite, and you can check all the details. You can follow the steps what has been mentioned here. Further, you can go to the another link for integrating the Facebook, or Instagram, with your business Meta Business Suite. And here you need to have an Instagram professional account, and you should have the full control of your business portfolio. And the Instagram account should not be linked to other business portfolio. So these are some prerequisites And you can simply go to the setting and you can choose the Instagram accounts in the account section and click on add and review the information on the screen, and you can simply add this Instagram account that you want to sync with your WooCommerce store. So it is going to be easy, but yes, you need to follow the exact step. And as I said, if you are facing any trouble, we can directly help you through live chat here. And the solution is again here. So you can directly get the solution at woocommerce.com, and the link has been given in the video description. This is called Instagram Sync for WooCommerce. I believe this is the best solution because it works directly with WooCommerce core. It is not like add-on plugin. It works directly with WooCommerce. So I'll show you again. So in the WooCommerce setting area, so what is the proof? So we can simply go for integration and all. So it will help us in understanding how the system works. Like Instagram sync is here, so you can simply go to the login and start syncing with the settings. So if you have any question, write in the comment or get in touch with us, and in the next video I'm coming with more solutions for your WordPress WooCommerce website. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, thank you.